So, to refresh ourselves, we are going to mark the nouns in sentences. So, let us do a small exercise wherein we are going to underline or circle the nouns in the sentences. Whether it is common noun or proper noun, we are just going to find out what are the nouns. So, if we are familiar what are the nouns, then we can divide it into common or proper. But as for now, we are going to circle the nouns. So in my first sentence, I have my grandparents live in Florida. So the first sentence is my grandparents live in Florida. So I am going to mark the nouns. So the first noun is grandparents. So the first noun in the sentence is grandparents, and the second noun is Florida. It is the name of a place. So grandparents are the name of persons and Florida is the name of a place, and so they are the nouns. Second is Tony plays soccer. So again we have two nouns. The first noun is Tony, that is the name of a specific person, and soccer is the name of a game that we play. So these are the two types of nouns, Tony and soccer. Next sentence, we live on planet Earth. So planet is a noun, that is the name of the planets, and Earth is the name of the place that we live in. These are the two nouns, planet Earth. Next, Mr. Stevens is my teacher. Again we have two nouns in the sentence. The first is Mr. Stevens is the name of a person, and teacher is again the name of a profession of a person and is a common noun. But we are only going to mark the nouns. The next sentence we have, it can get very hot in Arizona. Again I read the sentence, it can get very hot in Arizona, and the noun here is Arizona. Arizona is the name of a place. Next, I went to the Boston Aquarium. Again, I went to the Boston Aquarium. Boston Aquarium again is a noun because it is the name of a particular place, Boston Aquarium. I got a cookie from Mrs. Lee. So I am going to mark two nouns in this particular sentence. The first noun is cookie. Cookie is the name of a thing that we eat, and Mrs. Lee is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific person. So cookie and Mrs. Lee are the nouns in the sentence. There is no school on Sunday. So school is the name of a place and hence is a noun, and Sunday is the name of the day of the week. So school and Sunday. She went to the San Diego Zoo. So it is the name of a place and is a noun. So San Diego Zoo is the name of a place and is a noun. Alice has long brown hair. So Alice is the name of a person and hair is the name of a thing. So these are the two nouns in the sentence. Jane likes to run. So we are talking about a person, Jane. So Jane is the noun, is the proper noun in the sentence. Jane likes to run. We went to Atlanta Park. So where did we go is the name of the place, Atlanta Park. So this is the name of a place and is a noun. So let us see all the nouns that we have marked in these sentences. My grandparents live in Florida. Grandparents, Florida. Tony plays soccer. Tony, soccer. We live on planet Earth. Planet Earth. Mr. Stevens is my teacher. Mr. Stevens, teacher. It can get very hot in Arizona. Arizona. I went to the Boston Aquarium. Boston Aquarium. I got a cookie from Mrs. Lee. Cookie, Mrs. Lee. There is no school on Sunday. school, Sunday. She went to the San Diego Zoo. San Diego Zoo. Alice has long brown hair. Alice, hair. Jane likes to run. Jane. We went to Atlanta Park. Atlanta Park. So these are all the nouns, that is the names of specific persons, places, animals and things. So we have seen the different nouns in the sentences.